Tack on. Let's learn phrasal verb.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, tack on.
Acrescentar algo no final, adicionar algo extra, anexar ou prender algo a outra coisa, cobrar valor adicional.
John decided to tack on another chapter before publishing his book. They always tack on funny comments during every family dinner together. Please tack on your signature before sending every important document today. The teacher tacked on extra exercises after finishing today's grammar lesson. She will tack on additional details before presenting the final proposal tomorrow. They decided to tack on another vacation day after the conference ended. We should tack on fresh examples during tomorrow's English practice session together. The editor tacked on several useful notes before releasing the article online. Can you tack on another question before submitting the assignment today, please? Our guide tacked on an exciting museum visit after lunch yesterday afternoon. She carefully tacked on colorful ribbons around every handmade birthday gift yesterday. Workers tacked on protective labels across every fragile shipping box carefully yesterday. He tacked on a decorative frame around the beautiful family photograph yesterday. Please tack on this identification tag before boarding the international flight tomorrow. They tacked on reflective strips across every bicycle for greater nighttime safety. The airline tacked on unexpected baggage fees without prior customer notification yesterday. Some stores tack on delivery charges during busy holiday shopping seasons annually. The mechanic tacked on additional labor costs after discovering hidden engine damage. They tacked on service fees before printing our restaurant payment receipt yesterday. The hotel tacked on resort charges after confirming our reservation successfully yesterday.
Let's learn idioms.
He has been living under a rock and missed all the news. My old dog is getting long in the tooth and needs care. She is a long shot to win the election, but she has hope. Look before you leap into buying that expensive car. She tends to look down your nose at the less educated. You should look on the bright side of this bad situation. That politician is a loose cannon and unpredictable. My idea was lost in the shuffle of the big meeting. I am lost without someone to guide me in this city. We heard your message loud and clear from the company.
Let's learn slang.
She is drained from all this emotional stress lately. He is toast and cannot play another basketball game. She is toast if she misses another deadline today. He is out cold and sleeping on the living room couch. She passed out cold after the very long road trip. He was KO'd by the punch in the boxing match. She felt KO'd after taking that powerful medication. He zoned out during the boring and long lecture. She zoned out and did not hear the question. He checked out of the hotel at 10 in the morning. She checked out mentally during that terrible meeting.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.